आपको मैं जो बता रहा हूँ वो कीजिए।
अच्छा नहीं करेंगे तो क्या करोगे, जेल डाल दोगे?
So guys, it's day 5 of us shifting in our house, and you guys won't be seeing our faces right now because we just woke up, had breakfast, but me and my mom are back in our house and we are currently putting up curtains. So yeah, this is what my room looks like right now. I haven't showed you guys, but my mom wanted me to record all of this, but I left my GoPro in my car and that is in the basement. And if you guys remember, my foot is not 100% fit. Yeah, this was my room. Now we move out to the living area. No, that's the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We have the, I guess it's chimney if I'm not wrong, our fridge and all of that stuff. Few TVs just lying here. And then this is the living area. That used to be my bed, by the way. Another sofa, and then this is what it looks like outside. I won't go there because it's really hot at the moment. And now we go into my mom's room. So neat. It's so neat. Great, so this is what our house looks like right now. But yeah, look at all of those plants. When my mom brought them here, I was like, you had those many plants there, my cycle, so I can like directly go down and not waste any time. But yeah, let's go back to my room, and my mom needs my assistance in putting up the curtains. Let's go there. And the first curtain is done, I guess. Hana mama? Yay! Don't fall, please. Okay? Yes. And the thing is, I actually need shade here because all of my electronic stuff is here and I'm 90% of the time gonna be here. Good job. Okay, so what you guys are about to see is my mom getting scammed by a Paytm, by a wannabe Paytm KYC doer. So I've actually searched it, and Paytm only does KYC to your accounts by face-to-face meeting, and it cannot be done through online or on call or through messages. Okay, I know this because I've got my KYC done for the Paytm account because I use it. So in the following clip you are about to see my mom getting scammed by a Paytm scammer, but yeah, she's just pulling his leg all the time and it's amazing. And the real thing is, I just completed watching Jamtara or Jamtara, and it's about that only. It's about scammers living in Jamtara, but they are scamming out credit cards. But my mom got scammed by the Paytm dude. So watch it, it's pretty interesting and I hope you guys like it.
पता मेरे पास प्रूफ नहीं है आपका, आपको तो ये पता है ना।
सुने,
हाँ जी,
सेक्टर 6 से बात कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा
हाँ,
अच्छा, आगे बोलो।
जी, मैं नवेदा सेक्टर 6 से बात कर रहा हूँ, वैभव चौधरी।
हाँ,
तो इंस्टॉल हो रहा।
तो ये क्या प्रूफ हुआ? मेरे पास आपका आधार कार्ड थोड़ी आ गया, ये तो आपने बताया ना कि आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हो। ऐसे मैं तो कह दूं मैं चंद्रमा से बोल रही हूँ।
आप कहीं पे जाइएगा, बोलिएगा पेटीएम वाले के KYC करना, बोलेगा अपना आधार कार्ड दिखाओ तभी कराएंगे। ये थोड़ी होता है, आपका पेटीएम है ना।
हाँ, लेकिन पेटीएम मेरा है और आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो तो वो मुझे लग नहीं रहा ठीक। हाँ,
ये मेहनत हम लोग किस लिए कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि आधार कार्ड का मान्यता कोई हटा दिया गया है ना।
अच्छा, आधार कार्ड की मान्यता हटा दी है। अच्छा, हाँ,
जी, आपको जैसे कि यहाँ से पेटीएम वाले के KYC करेंगे,
हाँ,
तो अपने आप से अपना को आपको कैशबैक मिलेगा, जैसे आप अपने बैंक अकाउंट लिंक करना पड़ेगा आपको।
अच्छा, हाँ,
आप खुद कीजिएगा, मेरे को कुछ बताना नहीं है उसमें, समझे ना।
नहीं मैं तो
करना था, वो बंदे लोग नहीं किए हैं।
हाँ, हाँ,
इसीलिए आपको कॉल किया गया है।
हाँ, नहीं मेरे को ये विश्वास नहीं हो रहा। अगर आप किसी इंसान को भेज सकते हो तो आप भेज दो, वरना मैं फोन पे बताने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ।
नहीं करेंगे तो आपको दिक्कत होगा मैडम, उसमें हमारे कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अगर हमें कोई दिक्कत होगी तो पेटीएम से कहीं से कोई मैसेज भी तो आएगा ना, आजकल जो टेक्नोलॉजी।
जी, जस्ट अभी पेटीएम का ही मैसेज आएगा आपको मैं जो बता रहा हूँ वो कीजिए।
अच्छा नहीं करेंगे तो क्या करोगे, जेल डाल दोगे?
मेरे कुछ करना नहीं मैडम, मैं आपको जबरदस्ती बोल रहा हूँ। क्या आप ऐसे सवाल कर रहे हैं? नहीं करेंगे क्या करेगा?
भैया एक बात है, आप ना देश की किसी अच्छी जगह नौकरी लगो, इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो आप, मुझे समझाने में बहुत अच्छी बात है। और आपकी इसी वजह से मुझे लग रहा है कि आप जो हो स्कैम हो, फ्रॉड हो, क्योंकि इतनी मेहनत कोई नहीं करता आज की तारीख में। जो आप लगे हुए हो कि नहीं मैं ये आगे आपके इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करूं, मैं नहीं फॉलो करूंगी। आपको जितनी देर बात करनी है आप कर सकते हो।
ठीक है, नहीं करनी है तो फोन को रख सकते हैं ना मैडम?
हाँ जी, रख सकते हैं, थैंक यू।
ओके।
Okay guys, so while we were shifting houses and moving our stuff, the guys who were shifting our stuff managed to break this amazing showpiece. There's actually a peacock that goes on top of it. Do you have it right now?
Yes.
Did you apply glue here? So my mom has been playing with this glue gun and she's really enjoying it. And it's actually really fun. Can I do it?
बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा, स्पीड में मोटी-मोटी लेयर जल्दी।
Okay, fine, you do it. Yeah, it's really hot and let's see the magic. And it actually sticks instantly. She just did this part. Where's that part gone? I can't even see. I think this is the part. It was broken from here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No pressure, mama. It's done?
Done.
Hey, high five. Guys, look at that. So my mom is on her own just setting up my clothes. I don't know why. Probably because she was really... Yeah, because of this. But I think she also got irritated from these boxes just lying around here. But now she's got rid of them. Let me quickly show you all of the stuff which has changed. So I have a proper bed now. My mom, first of all, she put up some good curtains. And then after 4 to 3 days, I was like, no, I'm sweating a lot whenever I wake up. So she doubled them today, and I hope these work really nice when I wake up. They work pretty good today. That is it, and the stuff is still lying here. And we have the AC, yep. So that was the shifting vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And now the videos will be getting shorter for the shifting because me and my mom eventually started to get irritated and focused on just shifting rather than vlogging. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as well. And make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. This is the son from the mother and son signing off. Bye bye.